Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I'm going to put that bubble tea card together for you. I used our brand new bubble tea mini release. It is super cute. Now you have an option to grab the die, so there'll be a drop down menu where you can choose yes or no to add the die to this bundle. So I love it. If you want to see the full unboxing, I guess you can call it, where I show each ephemera and each piece of paper, I will have that video listed in the description box for you. But today, let's put together this card. With this bundle, you get this bubble tea paper pad. I'm going to use one of the watercolor looking background papers for the background for my cute little scene here. So that looks really cute. Let's see what the blue one looks like. That looks really cute as well. I think the images pop more with the blue, but I'm going to cut down both and see which one I like better. Okay, I'm going to glue down my background image. From the stamp set, I'm going to use the sentiment, "Thank you very mochi," and I'm going to put it right there in that spot before I glue down all my images. I'm using the VersaFine Claire in Nocturne to stamp out my sentiment. I am going to stamp it out on a scratch piece of paper first. Okay, so I stamped the "Thank you very mochi." If you're not familiar with the word mochi, they are cute round buns made of soft and chewy rice. And this is a mochi flavored donut. So that sentiment goes perfect with this image here. So I'm going to put my bobo tea, or you can call it bubble tea. I want to arrange it like this. So let's add this one first. So I'm going to pop up my donut. I'm going to put the little heart on this guy's cheek. And I have another little heart. So let's see. We can put the bigger heart there and maybe the smaller heart on his cheek. And then I'll pop up this donut. Okay, so let's add the donut right about here. Okay, so cute. I will have a photo at the end, and thank you so much for watching today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.